All right, welcome to your first exercise class with me. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly warm up. The goal of a warm-up is to just get your heart rate going and to get your blood flowing. So we're going to start with a step side to side. Perfect, that's it. So my knees are bent, I'm kind of bouncing. Should feel really good. All right, take a deep breath. We're gonna add some arms. Watch this, up, down. Good. So anytime you have your arms going above your head, it really works the heart. So good for you. Nice. A few more. If you want to add more of a hop, you can. All right, new move. Squat slow, rise slow. So just like we talked about, hips, knees, and toes in one line. Belly tight, chest is lifted. We're warming up the legs. Looking good. Good, you can start to get a little faster if you like. And remember, this is about you. So do what feels good to you. You don't have to follow me. All right, can you get a little faster? Looking good. All right, back to the slow. Okay, take one step back. We're gonna go into some lunges here. Slow down, slow up. All right, let's speed it up. Down and up. And if you want a challenge, raise the arms above the head. And a little pulse at the bottom. Good. All right, arms down, switch other side. Start slow. Good. Tummy tight, shoulders down, relax. Just relax, just breathe. Okay, a little faster. Good. And let's pulse at the bottom, arms up. Should feel really good. Okay, bring it up. I'm gonna do some light stretching. So let's rotate the foot so you're warming up the ankle before we do any jumping. Good. Do some isolations. Roll the shoulders back and forward. Back and forward. Let's isolate the tummy with some rib side to side. Front and back. So good. Okay, we're gonna do some hip shakes. Yeah, you know you love to move your hips. Add a little bounce. We're gonna get moving in this workout, so get excited. Best part is just listening to the music and having fun. Okay, we're gonna jog front, forward, hold, jog back. Hold, jog forward. Now if you don't have the space, you can go in a circle or side to side. Okay, add the arms, up, 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 down, clap, up, 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 down, clap, up, up, yeah, up, 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 good. One more. Good, hold it here. Bring it out of jog. We're gonna do a wide squat. Deep, bring the knees to the back, chest is up. You're just gonna stretch. This should feel really good. You can drop one shoulder. Switch. While you're here, do some arm swings. Just feeling how good it is to bend the knees, swing the arms. Okay, from here, stretch. Yes, stretching the side of the body right here. Switch. Good. Take one leg back, press the heel into the floor, press the hips forward, you're stretching out the calf and the hamstring. You can reach up, open up the chest, and then pick that foot up, stretch out the quad. Bring your knees together. You can have one arm out for balance. Other leg back. Press the heel to the floor, press hips forward. Open the chest. Breathe out, open. Yes. One foot up, stretch the quad. One arm out for balance. Okay, that concludes our warm-up.